need to mark page number 23 of your book. Yes? Let me share my screen. Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I hope my screen is visible. Yes? चलो अब ये देखो पेज नंबर 23 पे ये रहा. It had happened when I was 10 or 12 years old. 10 or 11 years old. Got it? Pool at YMCA. This is the first paragraph of your book. Please mark it. This is the second event chronologically. Chronologically, this is the second event. Okay. First one is this. From the beginning, however, I had an aversion to the water when I was in it. This is second paragraph, means on page number 25 of your book. And third line, the word is given beach in California. Have you got it all? All of you, have you got it? Harshit, Akshat, Mohit?
I don't have book, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so mark it as the first event. Beach in California. This is the first event. Right? And second event
Yes,
is?
ma'am.
Second event is the initial part of the chapter that we have already marked. This is the second event. So the story is going with a time shift. Firstly, starting about the present time, means when he was 10 or 11, and then he relates to the time when he was 3 or 4 years old. So first event is 3 or 4 years old, second paragraph, and first paragraph is the second event of his life, that he developed aversion to water. Yes? Now, third paragraph, that is page number 25. Starting with the line, my introduction to the YMCA swimming pool. Have you got it? See, my page, series of events at the YMCA pool. My introduction to the YMCA swimming pool. Have you got it? This is continuation of second event. YMCA swimming pool. Once again underline. YMCA swimming pool. आप लोग को समझ आ रहा है जो मैं बोल रही हूँ? कोई रिस्पॉन्स ही नहीं कर रहे तुम लोग?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are marking this way because the chapter is again longer and too many details are there. So to identify them easily in our next reading or in our next revision, it would be easier for you to break the chapter and read accordingly. Right? So it will continue to the end of the page. और यहाँ पे अभी अब जब ये हम पढ़ रहे हैं तो आप ये देखो कितनी बार उसने ट्राई किया. जहां से आपने मार्क किया my introduction to the YMCA swimming pool. Yes. Next paragraph also, I went to the pool. This is part of second event. I had not been there long. ये दिख रहा है सब, ये मेरी स्क्रीन पे ये तीनों पैराग्राफ जो मेरी स्क्रीन पे आपको दिख रहे हैं, ये तीनों पैराग्राफ सेम इवेंट का पार्ट है. तो आप अभी ब्रैकेट क्लोज नहीं करेंगे. राइट? अब देखो फोर्थ पैराग्राफ मींस पेज नंबर 25, फिफ्थ पैराग्राफ, पेज नंबर 25 फिफ्थ पैराग्राफ में देखो, ऑन द वे डाउन आई हैड प्लान्ड. चलो मैं अपना साथ साथ कर रही हूँ. ये रहा, यहाँ पे देखो, विद दैट ही पिक्ड मी अप. दिख रहा है सबको? On
Yes,
the way
ma'am.
I had planned, when my feet hit the bottom, I would make a big jump, come to the surface, lie flat on it, and paddle to the edge of the pool. मिल गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Circle it or underline it. Very important. First planning that he had when he was thrown into the pool. Right?
मैम विच ये कौन सा इवेंट है?
ये सेकंड इवेंट ही चल रहा है बच्चा, अभी पूल का ही स्ट्रगल सबसे लॉन्ग स्ट्रगल दिखाया उसका, when he
Okay,
struggled at
ma'am.
the pool, in the pool. Yes. Now next paragraph. After this, leaving one with I flailed at the surface. Yes. अब देखो इसी लाइन में, ये मेरे स्क्रीन पे आपको दिख रहा होगा, I flailed at the surface. आपके पेज नंबर 26 पे फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ जो स्टार्ट हो रहा है, I flailed at the surface of the water, swallowed and choked. I tried to bring my legs up, but they hung as dead weights, paralyzed and rigid. A great force was pulling me under. I screamed, but only the water heard me. अब देखो last line. I had started on the long journey back to the bottom of the pool. एक बार ऊपर आया, फिर वापस चला गया नीचे. So mark this last line. I had started on the long journey back to the bottom of the pool. मिल गया? जो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ स्टार्ट हुआ है पेज नंबर 26 पर, उसकी लास्ट लाइन है. Have you got it all? हर्षित, अक्षर?
Yes, ma'am.
सेकेंड इवेंट में कौन कौन से मेजर पॉइंट है जो हमें याद रखने हैं, हम वो मेजर पॉइंट की बात कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे अंडरलाइन कर रहे हैं. अभी सेकेंड इवेंट ही चल रहा है. ठीक है, चलो अब नेक्स्ट. अब देखो आई रिमेम्बर, अब नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ में फोर्थ लाइन है. बट आई रिमेम्बर द स्ट्रैटेजी. I would spring from the bottom of the pool and come like a cock to the surface. Along again, he is applying the same strategy. Yes. Have you
Yes, ma'am.
underlined? Yes. Now leave a paragraph and then sheer sharp terror seized me. Have you got this paragraph? Yes. See in this paragraph and then sheer shock terror seized me. ये पैराग्राफ आपको दिख रहा होगा यहाँ पे पेज पे, मेरी स्क्रीन पे जो सेकंड पैराग्राफ है, and then sheer stark terror. In this there is a line. I was paralyzed under water, stiff, rigid with fear. Yes. Again, next paragraph. I must remember to jump where I hit the bottom. ये दिख रहा है आपको मेरा कर्सर? ये देखो कर्सर जहाँ है, ये आपका नेक्स्ट लाइन का सेकंड लाइन है. I must remember to jump when I hit the bottom. Yes, he is reminding himself of the strategy again and again. But the jump made no difference. Page number 26, last paragraph की beginning. But the jump made no difference. मिल गया सबको? मोहित? Mohit, have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अब देखो इसके बाद नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 27. पेज नंबर 27 जो पैराग्राफ बिगिन हुआ है, सेकंड पैराग्राफ. देन आई स्टार्टेड डाउन अ थर्ड टाइम. This is the third time he is making an attempt to come and he is going down. Yes. So 2 times he tried to target that he will touch the tiles, and the moment he will touch the tiles, he will jump. But third time, जो next paragraph है देखो, then all effort ceased, I relaxed. आपको दिख रही होंगी lines मेरी screen पे. Then I started down a third time, underline this. Then all effort ceased, I relaxed. Yes. Right. And then the last line, which is on my screen, end of the paragraph. I crossed to oblivion and the curtain of life fell. जहां confusion हो, नहीं समझ आए, वहां पूछ लेना. Yes, please ask if you are doubtful about that, you are not getting it. Why I made you underline? So that चैप्टर को पढ़ना इजी हो जाए. कितनी बार उसने अटेम्प्ट किया? उसने 3 times, 3 बार वो नीचे गया है, ऊपर आके फिर नीचे, तीसरी बार जब गया, then his body stopped responding.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
मिल गया. This was the thing that he got in YMCA pool. This line complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. अब इसमें देखो पेज नंबर 27 जो लास्ट पैराग्राफ स्टार्ट हो रहा है, a few years, लास्ट सेकंड पैराग्राफ, a few years से जो पैराग्राफ स्टार्ट हो रहा है उसके ऊपर I never went back to the pool. I feared water. I avoided it whenever I could. ये है सेकेंड इवेंट का एंड. एंड ऑफ सेकेंड इवेंट. His experience at YMCA pool. ठीक है. सेकेंड इवेंट ओवर.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now page number 27. पेज नंबर 27. अब देखो इसमें लास्ट फिफ्थ लाइन फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ द पेज. The terror that had seized me in the pool would come back. It would take possession of me completely. My legs would become paralyzed. Icy horror would grab my heart. मिल गया. Last second paragraph, last 3 lines. Akshat, have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
दोबारा चलो देखो. पेज नंबर 27 लास्ट सेकंड पैराग्राफ. लास्ट सेकंड पैराग्राफ में फोर्थ लाइन है. द टेरर दैट हैड सीज्ड मी. यस, द टेरर दैट हैड सीज्ड मी. मिल गया. इसके बाद की तीनों लाइंस करनी है. टिल हार्ट, टिल द एंड ऑफ दिस पैराग्राफ. Right? Then all those places are given that he was not able to enjoy because of his fear of water. Yes. Now page number 28. First paragraph जो start हो रहा है पेज के beginning में 5 lines छोड़ के, 5-6 lines छोड़ के. Yes. 5-6 lines छोड़ के देखिए. Finally 1 October I decided to get an instructor and learn to swim. मिला. Finally 1 October I decided to get an instructor and learn to swim. देखो मेरे पेज पे स्क्रीन पे swimming session with the instructor, second line. Finally 1 October I decided to get an instructor and learn to swim. Yes. Akshat, Harshit, got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. अब देखो इसी के बाद एक लाइन छोड़ के. द इंस्ट्रक्टर पुट अ बेल्ट अराउंड मी. अ रोप अटैच्ड टू द बेल्ट वेंट थ्रू अ पुली दैट रैन ऑन एन ओवरहेड केबल. यस. मिला. Then leave 2-3 lines. 2 lines. On each trip across the pool, a bit of the panic seized me. Yes. Got it? Harshit, Akshat, आगे बढ़े.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, leaving 2 lines. Once again. Leaving 2 lines once again. It was 3 months before the tension began to slack. Then he taught me to put my face under water and exhale, and to raise my nose and inhale. We are talking about now the techniques that he learned from instructor. Yes. Mohit, you left the class in between. Please mark page number 28. Beginning of the paragraph, I used every way. In that paragraph, second line. Finally, 1 October, I decided to get an instructor and learn to swim. Got it? Yes, Mohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then leaving a line, the instructor put a belt around me. A rope attached to the belt went through a pulley that ran on an overhead cable. Then leaving 2 lines. On each trip across the pool, a bit of the panic seized me. Again leaving 2 lines. It was 3 months before the tension began to slack. Then he taught me to put my face under water and exhale, and to raise my nose and inhale. Done. Then next paragraph, देखो यहाँ पे भी underlined है. Next he held me at the side of the pool. ये जो second box बना हुआ है, same page पे, page number 28. Next he held me at the side of the pool and had me kick with my legs. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, got it? Harshit, Akshar?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Now next paragraph. Thus, piece by piece, he built a swimmer. Very important line. We have marked all those bits and pieces through which the instructor made a swimmer out of dollars. William Dollars. Yes. Now, leaving one line in the same paragraph. In April, he said, now you can swim. Dive off and swim the length of this pool. Crawl stroke. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this was as part of training. So हमने इसको किसी इवेंट में काउंट नहीं किया. अब जो हम इवेंट्स लिख रहे हैं वो उसके रिकवरी के इवेंट्स हैं. अभी तक उसकी ट्रेनिंग का था ये सब कुछ. ठीक है, तो आप इसके सामने लिख सकते हो जो आपने पेज नंबर 27 पे मार्क किया. पैराग्राफ क्लोज करो, सॉरी ब्रैकेट क्लोज करने के बाद आप लिख सकते हो ट्रेनिंग. ट्रेनिंग टू डील विद हाइड्रोफोबिया. Training to deal with hydrophobia. Yes. अब इसके बाद पेज नंबर 28 का जो लास्ट पैराग्राफ है वहां से उसकी प्रैक्टिस शुरू हो रही है कि उसने कहां कहां और कैसे कैसे प्रैक्टिस की टू मेक अ माइंड टू गेट हिमसेल्फ आउट ऑफ द फियर. यस. अब देखो मार्क करो. फर्स्टली अलोन इन द पूल. Alone in the pool, he swam the length up and down. I was alone in the pool. I swam the length up and down. ये देखो ये रहा. I swam the length up and down. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now. Page number 28, last line देखो. I went to Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire. मिला? कॉर्नर में दिया हुआ है. I went to Lake Wentworth. Continuing to the next page. In New Hampshire,
Yes, ma'am.
dock at Triggs Island and swam 2 miles across the lake to Stampact Island. Right? And swam 2 miles across the lake to Stampact Island. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, next paragraph. Yet I had residual doubts. Mark the next 3 lines. At my first opportunity, I hurried west, went to the
हम
Titan.
आप ये PDF ही शेयर कर देना.
बच्चा PDF तो मैं शेयर करूंगी. PDF में सिर्फ नोट्स हैं. आपको चैप्टर तब भी बार बार रेफर करना पड़ेगा. Until you know the chapter, you can't move. The chapter is quite complex in its sense. So many things are coming up. So many events are coming up. That's why I'm making you mark. जैसे हमने थर्ड लेवल में किया था, चैप्टर लॉन्ग था इसलिए. अभी वो भी शेयर करूंगी, नोट्स भी शेयर कर रही हूँ. The Conrad Creek trail to Mayard Glacier, camped in high meadow by the side of the warm lake. Yes. And then the last paragraph. देखो already marked है. First line और mark कर लेना इसके साथ साथ. The experience had a deep meaning for me. And the thing which is underlined here in red, you need to underline it in your book as well. Yes. And the last 3 lines, that is the end, the last paragraph, are really very important. So this was your chapter in short. कि events क्या क्या हुए, कौन से event में जो swimming pool का event है, that is really very important. So make sure that you people are means reading it in detail, क्योंकि swimming pool का जो event है उसमें उसने बहुत सफर किया है, right? चलो, I am stopping the screen sharing. I am going to share my screen regarding the notes. Just a minute. Yes, am I audible, boys? I'm sharing my screen with the notes. Yes. चलो, अब देखो, this is about the author, introduction, gist of the lesson. ये सब हमने already कर लिया. I hope my screen is visible. Now, theme. Akshat beta, read the theme. Read the theme, Akshat.
Okay.
Akshat,
Okay, ma'am.
theme.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the theme, beta.
The theme of the chapter is presence of fear in our life and our triumph over it. The fear of water is instilled in Dollars in his childhood. In this essay, William O. T. Douglas talks about his fear of water and how he finally overcome it by his courage, determination, hard work, strong willpower,
Hard work.
hard work, strong willpower, perseverance, and they
Perseverance.
deserve to and they deserve to learn. If these are practiced, we can definitely achieve success in all our endeavors. The
Protagonist. Protagonist means main
suffers,
character.
suffers a misadventure of drowning in a pool at young age. The near-death experience instills phobia in his heart-making. It's impossible for him to enjoy water and water sports. The story also tackles the theme of addressing one's fears and just to leaving him unattended as much as such childhood fears can have serious implications later in life. Taking risks in life is the only way to grow, and the author reads this theme beautifully in his story.
Yes. Now I'm reading the message. Thank you, Akshat. The story gives a very strong message of human grit and determination, which helps to scale even the tallest of the hurdles. Being courageous in the face of fear is a very strong quality and can make us extraordinary from ordinary. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Yes. अब ये देखो, अभी मैं ये पीडीएफ तुम लोगों को भेज दूंगी. ये जो हमने मार्क किया है, ये सारा उन्हीं इवेंट्स को समराइज करने के लिए माइंड मैप है. ठीक है. इसके अलावा आई वुड स्टिल एम्फेसाइज दैट यू नीड टू गो थ्रू योर बुक एज वेल. राइट. दिस इज द होल माइंड मैप ऑफ द चैप्टर. ओके, अब ये क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करने से पहले जरा यहाँ पे अब क्विक रिवीजन कर लेते हैं. चलो अब जल्दी से आंसर करो. हर्षित, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4.
स्क्रीन शो नहीं हो रही है.
स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हुई है.
मैम हो रही है बट लाइन
नीला दिखा रहा है।
Yes, ma'am.
एक मिनट रुको. आई विल स्टार्ट अगेन. अब हुई है.
Yes, ma'am, हो गया.
यस, अब हो गई. चलो. यस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4.
Fourth one,
What did Dollars plan on his way down into the pool? Harshit, are you there?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, bacha. Please answer, Harshit. No. Mohit, Akshat, anyone, please raise your hand. The one who would like to answer. Yes, Akshat, answer, bacha.
Ma'am, he thinks that when he touches the ground, he will jump and he will be able to come up uh, from the water.
Yes. Anything else?
No,
Okay. Mohit, would you like to add something? Dowlus decided that the moment he will go down, his feet will touch the bottom. At that point, he will make a jump. He will try to have a big jump and will try to come to the surface, lie flat on it, and will start paddling. But unfortunately, the depth was too much. And even when he reached there, he tried to jump, but he was not able to come up on the surface. Question number 5. How does Dollars describe the terror he faced while he was struggling underwater? अब यहाँ पे
Ma'am,
तीनों, yes,
decide किया
Mohit.
कि
Harshit, you are
ma'am
saying
एक
something?
इंस्ट्रक्टर, yes ma'am, मैम डिसाइड किया कि एक इंस्ट्रक्टर लाए और लर्न करे स्वयं करना.
हर्षित, मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा, एक बार लाउडली बोलो दोबारा.
मैम वो एक इंस्ट्रक्टर लाए हैं.
हाँ, इंस्ट्रक्टर से पहले बच्चा, इंस्ट्रक्टर से पहले. हाउ डज डॉलर डिस्क्राइब द टेरर ही फेस व्हाइल ही वाज स्ट्रगलिंग अंडर वाटर? स्विमिंग पूल का ही इवेंट है. इंस्ट्रक्टर से पहले. मोहित.
मैम
Yes,
फाइट
ma'am.
की प्रैक्टिस भी तो की थी डेली 1 आवर.
वो तो इंस्ट्रक्टर के साथ तो डेली बना और बाद में है जो अंडर वाटर उसने स्ट्रगल किया, उसकी बात बतानी है हमें. तीनों टाइम जब उसने स्ट्रगल किया, तीनों बार, 3 बार वो नीचे गया ना. यस मोहित.
Ma'am, when he get inside the water, ma'am, he first tried to when his feet touch the ma'am the touch the uh, ma'am touch the surface of the touch the surface of the pool, ma'am. When ma'am, then he tried to pull himself, tried to push himself. Sorry, ma'am.
Yes.
So, ma'am, he experienced some force which is not letting him to go up. And ma'am, also his lungs were choked, and all he was not able to breathe properly, and all inside the water, the ma'am, the he was not able to look clearly also.
Yes, he has described his struggle underwater thrice. First time when he went down, he had already made the strategy that the moment his feet will touch the bottom of the water or the bottom of the pool, he would make a big jump. He would try to lie down on the surface and would start paddling. But he realized soon that the depth was too much. At this point, he tried to make a jump, but he was not able to come to the surface. And his body started going the second time down to the end of the pool again. At this time, he was feeling choked. His body was not responding that way, but still, he was keeping the strategy in his mind. And he tried to jump once again. Only his nose was able to come out, but not his mouth. He went for the third time down, and this time he was not able to make any attempt of recovery or coming out because his body was feeling paralyzed. Yes, and it was completely relaxed. The lungs were full of water, his body was seeming heavy, and he was going deep down inside the water. Right? So this is his struggle under water. What did Dollars resolve to do 1 October? Yes, Akshat.
What ma'am?
Yes, Akshat. Question
and
number
on
6.
first
Hmm.
on Fox River, he think to hire a instructor who can teach him how to swim and and he practiced 5 days a week and practiced for 5 weeks.
Yes,
So
very good. So Dulles was already fed up. When he grew up, he was not able to enjoy any of his out trips, especially near the water bodies, because that fear of water was never allowing him to dive into the sea, to go for fishing, canoeing, surfing, nothing he was able to do. That's why 1 October he decided that I want to have an instructor to overcome this fear of water. And then he started training with the instructor in a particular manner, where he practiced for 5 days a week under the strict training of his instructor. Right? When does the old sensation return to dollars in miniature? Yes. When does the old sensation return?
Ma'am, when he was going into the pool again after again on 1 October.
देखो, only in miniature it returned. देखो, miniature word है जहां जहां हमने अंडरलाइन किया. चेक करो जल्दी से. देखो, टाइनी वेस्टिजेस दिख रहा है, पेज नंबर 28. When he was alone in the pool without instructor, then the fear arrived, that old sensation returned in tiny vestiges. Right? Clear?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next question. The famous quote on fear by Franklin D. Roosevelt is? What is the famous line? मैंने अभी मार्क भी कराई है बुक में. All we have to fear is fear itself. All we have to fear is fear itself. Right? Yes, boys, अब इसके अलावा we are going to read certain questions on the same chapter. Let me share my screen again, वरना फिर pause हो जाएगी. Yes, I hope my screen is visible. हर्षित आप पढ़ो.
Yes.
First question. Harshit.
There was terror in my heart at the overpowering force of the waves. When did Dougal start fearing water? Which experience had further strengthened its hold on his mind and personality? As a child of 3 or 4 years, Dougal had been knocked down by the waves at California Beach. The waves swept over him, and he was buried under them. The overpowering force of water terrorized him, and he developed an aversion for water. This aversion to water resurfaced once again when Douglas was 11-year-old and further strengthened its hold on his mind and personality. An 18-year-old boy tossed little Douglas into the deep end of the pool. This downward journey into water for a second time was a nightmarish experience. His legs were almost paralyzed, his lungs ached, his head ached, his head throbbed, and he felt suffocated, keeping his wit intact. He pushed himself up to the surface of swimming pool, but all his efforts proved futile. Finally, when he came to his senses, he was lying on his stomach beside the pool. Now the haunting fear of water gripped his heart, and he continued to mortally scared of water for very long time.
Yes. See, this was the two experiences, nightmarish experiences that he had with water are both explained here. Second question is talking about his experience in detail at the YMCA pool. Yes, Mohit, read.
Yes, ma'am. How did Douglas try to solve himself from the drowning in the YMCA pool? When his feet hit the bottom of the pool, Douglas summoned up all his strength and made a great spring towards thinking he would walk to the surface like a cork. But when nothing like that happened, Douglas tried to yell, but no sound come out. Now a great force was pulling him under. He was paralyzed underwater, stiff and rigid with fear. Then, in the midst of the terror, came a touch of reason that he should remember to jump when he hit the bottom. As soon as he felt the tiles under him, he reached out his toes towards them and jumped again with all his strength. Yet, again, the jump did not make any difference. The water was still around him. Stark terror even took even deeper hold on him, and he shook and trembled with fright. He could not move his arms and legs. He tried to call for help, but nothing happened. Finally, he ceased all his efforts and decided to relax as blackness swept over him.
देखो तीनों बार जब उसने ट्राई किया, पूरे तीनों बार का जो इवेंट है वो इसमें हमने लिख दिया सेकंड आंसर में. हाउ डिड द इंस्ट्रक्टर मेक डॉलर्स अ गुड स्विमर? अक्षत, रीड.
How did the instructor make Douglas a good swimmer? Answer. The instructor put in serious efforts to build a swimmer. Out of Douglas, he understood Douglas' mortal water phobia and practiced 5 days a week, an hour each day with him. He devised a unique way to teach him how to swim. It has a rope to Douglas' back that went through a pulley which ran over an overhead cable. Holding the end of the rope in his hand, he made Douglas move back and forth in the pool without causing him much fear. Douglas was taught how to exhale underwater and raise his nose to air. This exercise was repeated numerous times, and they went to and fro across the pool week after week. The instructor then taught Douglas to kick with his legs. At his at first, his legs would not work, but finally he was able to control and command them. Finally, he was transformed into quite a perfect swimmer by his instructor.
Yes. What misadventure did Dollars experience at the YMCA swimming pool? ये मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. As the timid Dollars sat alone at the side of YMCA swimming pool, waiting for other people to come, a big bruiser of a boy, probably 18 years old, came there. He asked Dollars whether he would like to be dubbed. Saying this, he picked up Dollars and tossed him into the deep end of the pool. Dollars landed inside the pool in a sitting position, swallowed water, and went at once to the bottom of the pool. Though Dollars was extremely frightened, he had his wits intact. So, on his way down, he started to plan. He decided that when his feet would hit the bottom, he would make a big jump, come to the surface, lie flat on it, and then paddle to the edge of the pool. At that moment, the 9 feet deep pool seemed like 90 feet to him. And before he touched the bottom, he felt his lungs were ready to burst. Yes? Now, so you will find in this PDF all the questions are related to, and the chapter is tried to be summarized in as less words, as less number of questions as possible. एंड सारे क्वेश्चंस की जो वर्ड लिमिट है वो इतनी दी हुई है कि अगर आप उसको शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन की तरह लिखना चाहो तब भी सकते हो. जरा ये आंसर पढ़ो. मोहित, रीड दिस आंसर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6.
Yes, ma'am. The story, ma'am, only answer.
No, question as well.
Okay, ma'am. The story, Deep Water, has made you realize that the determination and perseverance one can accomplish the impossible. Write a paragraph in about 100 words on how attitude and courage will aid you to achieve success in life. Douglas was afraid of
Not
water.
Douglas, Dollars.
Dolores was afraid of water from a very young age. His misadvantage, the YMCA pool, further increased his water phobia. He was unable to enjoy fishing and boating trips. Finally, he decided that he had to overcome his fear. He could not do it without seeking professional help. And so he appointed an instructor who gradually made him an excellent swimmer. Still, Dolores was not satisfied. He made use of every opportunity to swim and dive in water, thus challenging his fear. He was able to overcome his fear completely, and this led him to make the statement that what one is afraid of is fear itself. And if we are able to overcome that fear, then we can achieve anything in life.
Yes. Desire, determination, and diligence lead to success. Again, the similar kind of question. Acha, abhi last. Akshat, read this last question. Question number 8 with answer.
All we have to fear is fear itself. Describe Douglas' experience which led to the making of the statement.
And beta, one more correction. This is not Douglas. Douglas. Douglas is better.
Douglas.
Yes.
Douglas was afraid of water from a very young age. His misadventure at the YMCA pool further increased his water phobia. He was unable to enjoy fishing and boating trips. Finally, he decided he had to overcome his fear. He could not do it without seeking professional help. So he appointed an instructor who gradually made him an excellent swimmer. Still, Douglas was not
Douglas.
satisfied. Douglas.
Hmm.
He made use of every opportunity to swim and dive in water, thus challenging his fear. He was able to overcome uh, his fear completely, and this led him to make the statement. And what one is afraid of is fear itself. And if we are able to overcome that fear, then we can achieve anything in life.
Yes. So anything can be achieved in life if we are able to overcome that feeling of fear. Right? I hope you people are able to relate to the chapter now. Yes, Mohit, Akshat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And I have tried my best capacity to make the chapter sequential and series wise so that you are able to relate to it. Please try reading it with these underlined things and make your own notes as well side by side so that when you're re-revising, it is not making a problem for you at the time of exam. Right?
हम इसके बाद कौन सा चैप्टर कराओ?
अक्षत जोर से बोलो, सुनाई नहीं दिया मुझे.
हम इसके बाद कौन सा चैप्टर कराओ?
इसके बाद आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ पोएट्री, पोम. बताओ कौन सा कराऊं? क्या विस्तास का करें? कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा अक्षत, दोबारा बोलो.
Ma'am, I'm saying that please do poetry. 6th poem.
अक्षत थोड़ा सा लाउड बोलो बच्चा, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा.
He's saying that we do poetry.
मोहित आवाज ब्रेक कर रही है.
Ma'am, he's saying that we can go ahead with poetry.
हाँ ठीक है, we can go ahead with poetry, no problem. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्लास में फिर पोएट्री स्टार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, आई विल शेयर दिस डॉक्यूमेंट्स पीडीएफ विद यू. नाउ यू पीपल कैन लीव. और प्लीज चैप्टर के क्वेश्चंस ट्राई जरूर करना सो दैट यू पीपल आर एबल टू confirm that the chapter has been clearly understood by you, right?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye beta, bye.